Before you decide to buy Chaiz, there are a few important things you need to know. Stick around to the end, because what you'll learn here might just change your mind about whether it's the right fit for you. If you're considering Chaiz, you're likely already aware of some of the claims they make about the features, convenience, and benefits. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First things first, Chaiz positions itself as a solution that promises efficiency, ease of use, and flexibility in the market. Compared to competitors, it shines in a few key areas, but does it truly deliver what it promises? For starters, you'll notice that Chaiz focuses heavily on a user-friendly experience. Unlike other platforms that often have a steep learning curve, Chaiz makes things simple and intuitive. If you've struggled with complex software before, you'll appreciate how Chaiz removes a lot of that friction. You won't need hours of tutorials to get started. It's something that really sets it apart from others in the same space. Next thing to consider is the integration capabilities. Chaiz excels in this area. Whether you're using it for business, personal, or even technical tasks, it integrates with a variety of tools you're likely already using. That's a huge advantage. Competitors often come with limitations in this department, forcing you to adapt your workflow to their system. With Chaiz, the workflow adapts to you, and it's pretty seamless. The third thing I want to mention is customer support. Chaiz really shines here, offering fast and reliable support when you need it most. In my own experience, when I ran into an issue, they responded quickly, offering solutions that were effective. A lot of competitors leave you hanging for days, or you end up navigating through a maze of support tickets. Chaiz's support is accessible and genuinely helpful, which makes a huge difference. Now, the fourth thing, pricing. Chaiz offers a pretty competitive pricing structure, especially when you compare it to the alternatives. Some competitors might offer lower upfront costs, but they come with hidden fees or limitations that quickly add up. With Chaiz, what you see is what you get, and the value is there. Plus, if you use the first link in the description, you can get the best offer for the product and try it completely free. No hidden costs. A risk-free opportunity to see if it truly fits your needs. The fifth thing you need to know is about customization. If you like the idea of tailoring your tools to fit your specific needs, Chaiz has great options for that. You can adjust settings and functionality to suit your preferences. Many competitors offer limited customization, and you end up being locked into a predefined setup that doesn't always work for you. Chaiz gives you the flexibility to make it your own. Moving on, the sixth thing to note is the mobile experience. Chaiz has a solid mobile app that ensures you can stay connected and productive on the go. For those of us who don't want to be chained to a desktop, this is a big deal. Some competitors fail here, offering clunky or unreliable apps that just don't cut it. Chaiz has invested in making sure their mobile experience is smooth, so you can rely on it when you need to. The seventh and final thing I'll mention is the scalability of Chaiz. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a growing team, Chaiz can scale with you. A lot of tools in this space are either too basic or too complex for different stages of business growth. Chaiz provides flexibility, offering advanced features without overwhelming you with unnecessary complexity. It's the perfect balance for those looking to grow without constantly needing to upgrade or switch platforms. If you're interested in trying out Chaiz, don't wait any longer. Click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial offer, along with some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. This is your chance to see if Chaiz truly lives up to the expectations I've outlined here, without any risks.